Ghee.
chocolate coconut, rising, cashew nut, and cumin powder, roasted cumin powder.
So what was it again?
Cumin powder.
Cumin powder.
Cumin.
Some dry ginger powder.
Dry ginger powder.
Some cardamom powder.
Cardamom powder. Okay.
Some rice flour.
Rice.
Flour.
Rice flour.
Rice flowers. But must it be like this, or can we use the seeds from the cardamom?
Usually we use a very little of cardamom only. It is a powder. He has brought more, but it is a pinch of cardamom only we use. It won't be a flavor of extra.
So jaggery syrup.
Jaggery syrup, which we made in-house only.
Jackfruit, yeah?
Jaggery.
Jaggery.
Jaggery, palm sugar.
Zucker.
Ah, okay. Artificial Zucker. Okay, den kenne ich noch nicht.
What's this?
Both same it is.
Same.
Both same.
And zero. Ah, okay.
It's a sweetener. If you're okay, you can use sugar also instead of that. Normally we use this
Oh, yeah, okay. With jaggery. Like caramel
caramel.
with jaggery. Made
Yeah.
with jaggery.
Yeah.
And you.
It is an equal amount of jaggery plus water. So we boil it together.
Ah, okay.
That's it. Simple.
Do you use?
So if you are using
not
500
put it in a
grams,
pan and melt
we put it in a
pan?
pan, 500 grams of jaggery and 500 ml of water to that, and we'll allow to boil it.
And then reduce.
Yes, it is.
Are you a cook?
Do you use a lot of?
Okay, okay.
Celery, beetroot,
Yeah.
grated butter, carrot, lauki,
So
bottle gourd.
today he is using beetroot.
Oh.
Instead of beetroot, we can use any ingredients like we normally use bottle gourd, then
Ash gourd.
carrot, ash gourd, any vegetable. Instead of this, we can use actually. It is raw. It is raw. Grated. It is. Peel and grated.
Do you use often cinnamon or not that often?
Cinnamon we don't use actually.
No, no? Yeah.
Mainly in rice, when we prepare rice biryani and all, we put
Yeah.
cinnamon to that.
Yeah.
Why is the ghee here liquid? The ghee we use at home is it's stiff, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
It's a different kind.
Just temperature. That's what
Maybe
it is.
because this is.
So once your
fresh
ghee is
liquid.
melted, it is same.
Yeah.
This thing. Chocolate coconut. And he is trying to say that in the same way we can make with the mango paisam, onion paisam we made, no? Same. any ingredients you can use.
It was really onion.
Yes, it is.
Strange.
We made a paisam today with onion. Unfortunately, we can make it for you one other day.
So jetzt ein bisschen Folter für dich, ne?
Yes.
Das gehört dazu.
Wir können ja sagen, das
Ja, genau.
So cashew nut and raisins with that.
Yeah. Are these special raisins or?
It's normal raisins, the white
Nee, das sind
raisins.
die gelben, die sind größer wie die. Ja.
The same thing will be available over there. You use
Im Asialaden. Ja, ja, ja.
so it is raw beetroot, grated and you make halwa with all the vegetables. base vegetable will be different, but other ingredients like this jaggery syrup, this powder, and this, all those things will remain same. And from this beetroot, you can use any other ingredient. The name is same as well. Even if you use the chamalina, you can use it for that.
That's vegetable, huh? No fruit.
Fruit also, like papaya, then
Banana?
banana,
Mango,
mango.
dragon fruit.
Like papaya.
Dragon fruit.
Usually for the dessert, we use this dessert only. That will not stick on that. The jaggery syrup and all, if you pour on that earthenware, it will stick and it will burn very fast. It will burn.
Yeah.
Jaggery if you add to the jaggery to the earthenware. Okay, that's the reason. If this is a kind of non-stick kind of thing.
You had one for the tea time. You had the banana chip and the banana with jaggery. Very sweet.
Okay. In sadhya also it is served actually. In banana which is coated with. Tomorrow you have a special lunch called sadhya.
Yeah.
Okay, it is served on banana leaf.
Again tomorrow?
I'll take some to my room and store it for the day
Tomorrow
after.
is
We'll prepare it
Monday.
for you another day.
Yeah.
Before you are
Yeah.
leaving,
Because
Good.
we'll do it for you.
Yeah.
Before you leave, we can.
Perfect, thank you.
Yeah.
So tomorrow we'll make subject. So she is leaving tomorrow.
Yeah.
A farewell for her.
Yeah. Oh, I
Before you're leaving, yeah.
Yeah.
Afternoon. Oh, so you can have it.
Yeah.
Right, before leaving.
It was really great.
So now it is the beetroot has been cooked. Now we add jaggery to that.
Wow, peaceful.
Very sweet.
Yeah.
Healthy dessert. Jaggery.
Huh?
Healthy dessert.
Oh, very
There's almost no calories.
caramelized.
It gives a beautiful color because it is. Cumin powder,
Cumin powder,
dry ginger,
dry ginger powder,
and little bit of cardamom. Very little cardamom.
This was the salt, huh?
This is
No, it's a
rice
rice
flour.
flour.
Rice flour. Instead of that, we can use millet flour also. If you are. So again, and this rice flour here, it works as a thickening agent for that. So that rice flour, we mix it with the water.
Oh,
uh,
it's just
coconut
for
milk.
thickening.
Coconut milk, the second.
Yeah.
You want to thicken it up, right?
Yes, it is going to be. So before pouring to that, we'll mix it with coconut milk. Without lumps, it is. Without lumps. Main thing.
Ah, yes.
Das ist ein Andicker, ne, oder? Damit dicker das jetzt
Ja,
an. Ne?
ja. Ist wie, ja, Cinnamittel. the balls or what we had
Yes, yes,
yesterday?
yes. At the lunchtime,
okay.
it is a small.
Now I understand.
First
Okay.
toss.
Dann hast du ein bisschen wie eben jetzt wieder hast du noch, ne?
Yeah. Okay. Oh, yesterday we had it. The red one. The ball. Ne? Die gestern hat mit dem gute Bilder.
Ja.
One last question. Why do you need a brass pan in order to prepare it?
Just to hold the temperature,
Yeah.
and also if it is sticky, also we can remove it faster. If it's earthenware, it will stick out. The sweet will
Easier to clean?
Easier to clean, and otherwise this jaggery is no?
Yeah.
Jaggery will stick over there and it will become carbonated. Like
Okay.
the taste will be different.
In Teig da, ne?
See, now the ghee is coming out from that. The ghee will come out.
Yeah.
So once it is ready. This is the consistency of halwa. Easy, no? Back home we can make the same. Easy.
We don't have a brass pan at home.
You can use any
need this
pan.
pan,
Any,
yeah.
Very good.
Oh, very good.
Thank you.